As a Jamaican living in Canada, we have to understand that sometimes we're going to be that pineapple among the apples because we're different. Yes, they say go to Rome, you do what the Romans do. But you realize that sometimes the Canadian culture not so fit in with the Jamaican culture. You'll find this in the workplace, especially at work, I find. You maybe be that one co-worker when I participate in everything with them do because it just not fit in your lifestyle, it not fit in your culture, or even your religious belief, because guess what, we're just different. When them have them potluck, you realize that we're not indulging in them potluck because we just think say them have some dog in their yard. We just think say they now wash them meat. And we know say for them cooking and food cooking just different. Again, when it come on to the winter time, we just want to come our yard. I don't know if you are like me, but me just want to come home and I want to just wrap up because me can't take the snow days and me can't take the winter. When the sun set after 5, me done with the road. Another thing, why them feel say when them invite you out for go eat, everything upon the menu, we for indulge in it and we for be okay with that. Listen, yes, we'll continue to be the pineapple and we'll continue to say we don't want them type of food there because we're island girl, and we'll continue to clean with us, wash out with kitchen sink, and we'll continue to be that pineapple because for our culture, for our norms and for our values different. And we have to understand that that is okay. It is okay to say no. It is okay to say no, thank you. Me not indulge in the potluck. Me not indulge in our no after work activities. Me not indulge in our no gossiping and backstabbing, especially at work. We just not gonna do it because we just set up different. And we just have to embrace that and we just have to understand that. And we just have to not feel no way about it when we're the only one not doing what everybody else in the work setting do. What everybody else in the office do. Because that's just not us. We are just different. And as Caribbean people, we just roll different. If you know, comment below.